morning, Counselor.
Good morning.
I guess you could say I am a very bad criminal.
Why?
I did not file my income tax 2 years. The last 2 years I was in business. So the IRS turned around and they let me file a letter of non-collectible. And in lieu of that letter of non-collectible, they put a lien on my property. Is there or is there no longer a statute of limitations they can hold that lien on the property?
They can collect taxes for up to 10 years, but there's no statute of limitations how long they can leave that lien. We have had cases like this in our office, and Justin can tell you that even though the time for collection is up, they still leave the liens on the houses. But why didn't you file your taxes? Do you think you're going to owe a pile of money?
Oh, $30,000 for 1 year and $6,000 for the other year.
You know, with all due respect, it doesn't seem like that much. What do you think, Justin?
Yeah, I mean,
really.
You can always work stuff out. We just did one for a client where I think she owed $114,000, and they liened her house, and then in order to sell it, we had to get rid of that. And I think they ended up taking, literally pennies on the dollar to remove the lien. So there's definitely ways to work it out if you want to sell the property. Do you have any other liens on the property, or is it just this tax lien?
This tax lien is the only thing.
What's the house worth?
That is holding up my credit rating. I am considering selling the property and moving to, I'm a senior citizen on Social Security, and I'd like to move to something with a lot less maintenance.
Sure.
And But this tax lien, is there a way I can talk to them about dismissing this? It's coming up on 10 years old.
Yeah, they're probably not going to dismiss it because they know there's value in the house and they'll get their money, and that's their job is to get money for everybody else if you don't pay. So we'd have to contact them, work with one of the agents, and tell them, listen, this is your only chance of getting money. You can't stand in the way of the sale. We'll give you some of the sale and try to work that $36,000 down to something more manageable so you still walk away with enough money to get something else.